Biography nonfiction text features. Today we're going to be talking about the different nonfiction text features that we can use as we read biographies to better understand the text. What are nonfiction text features? A nonfiction text feature is a tool within a text or multiple tools that helps a reader to better understand the content in the text. There are many different nonfiction text features that are used in a variety of ways to aid a reader in understanding a text. Here are some examples of nonfiction text features: a photograph, a caption, a label, a graph, a table, a heading, a glossary, a diagram, a map, bold print, italics, bullet points, sidebar, table of contents, title page, illustration, index, title, and more. Obviously, there are a lot more nonfiction text features, but these are the most common and ones that you'll probably see as you read your biographies in this unit. Why are nonfiction text features important? They help us to better understand a nonfiction text. As we know, nonfiction text can be confusing sometimes. There might be big words in different settings and dates that might confuse us. So we can use nonfiction text features such as headings and labels and captions to better understand what's happening in the story, such as in biographies. To become more familiar with nonfiction text features, use the Quizlet that I created and use the flashcard tool. This is a really great function of Quizlet because you can practice as if you had index cards. As you go through each text feature, remember how they can be used to better help you understand the text. The repetition of the flashcard function will help you to remember each feature. Lesson review. What are nonfiction text features? They can better help us understand what's happening in the text. Good readers can identify and utilize text features to help them understand the text and information. Remember, there are many nonfiction text features. This lesson only covered the most common examples. I'm going to go through some examples, and I want you to notice how each example can be used to help us better understand the text. Here we have a table. A table is a chart of information presented in a visual way. It is often used to compare things. Here we have a graph. The purpose of a graph is to show information in a visual way so that it can be more easily understood by readers. Here we have a circle graph, a bar graph, a line graph. A heading. A heading tells the reader what the section is about. Right here you can see that Lions Rule is the example for this heading about this page about lions. Here are some more examples. A map. A map is a picture that shows the location of things or places. This map shows the different tornado alley locations. You can see you can use the key down here to help us better understand what might be happening in the text. Here we have a photograph. A photograph is a picture made with a camera that shows how things look in real life. Here we have a picture of a fire truck. Something that's different from a photograph would be an illustration which somebody would draw about. Now that you are experts on some of the more common nonfiction text features, you will complete a nonfiction text feature scavenger hunt using your biography book. This will help us to better understand the text and become more familiar with nonfiction text features in our own biography unit. To access this assignment, go to my website and find the link called Nonfiction Text Feature Scavenger Hunt link. Have fun!